Happy morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, today we are going to learn lesson 6, the Velveteen Rabbit. So, what is Velveteen Rabbit? Here, the Velveteen Rabbit is a toy which was made of a smooth fabric. It means a smooth cloth. So, now we see who is the author of this lesson. See, Margaret Williams. She was the author of The Velveteen Rabbit. She was born in the year 1881 and died in the year 1944. She was an American writer known for her popular children's books. It means especially she wrote so many books for children. Because of that only she was so famous. She became famous with the publication of her best known work, The Velveteen Rabbit, in 1922. Because of this story, The Velveteen Rabbit, as she has written this book for children, she became very famous. Now children, before getting into the lesson, first see these pictures. See what are they? There are different types of soft toys. I think everybody like these toys. See what are they? And here also see different toys are there. And different animals, and especially teddy bears, rabbits, most of they are. And monkeys. These all are liked by children. Especially children like to play. And most of the children while sleeping also, they hold these soft toys, or they will keep them along with their bed and sleep. Now see, children like toys very much, especially those who are lonely. So nobody is there to play with them. Especially these children come to think of their toys as friends. So children especially treat these toys as their friends, and sometimes they play with them. They will keep a name to them in this manner. Now the story starts. In brief, see first. One Christmas, a little boy is given a small stuffed velveteen rabbit along with other presents. So one Christmas day, what happened? Especially children will get so many presentations or gifts. In this manner, a little boy, he was presented a small stuffed velveteen rabbit. It means which was very smooth fabric, which was presented to him. But the boy plays with the modern and mechanical toys he receives. But actually, along with the other toys, he got this velveteen rabbit. But what the boy had done? He always used to play with the mechanical toys he receives. What are the mechanical toys? Like cars and whatever the key toys and motorbikes, in this manner. And forgets about the velveteen rabbit. So he kept the velveteen rabbit aside and he used to play with the other toys. See, this is the velveteen rabbit he was presented. It means it was present to him. So when this toy was kept in this cupboard, so here he had so many toys. So among them, in the cupboard, the oldest toy in the collection, the skin horse. So one toy also there, that is the skin horse, that is the horse, which was made of china item, that is a clay, different type of clay. Here see, so when this velveteen rabbit was kept in the cupboard, there also one more old toy is there, that is named as skin horse. So once imagine, children, is it possible to the toys to talk each other? But here, think that if some magic happened and the toys can talk to each other, what will happen? So in this manner, see, now the horse tells the rabbit how toys become magically real when children truly love them. Actually, here, when the voice was given to these toys, so the horse told the rabbit that the toys which were really loved by the children, they become real. That means they feel that they are the real one, not as the toys. When children really love these toys, the toys get life into it. So who told? The skin horse told to this old rabbit. It means the velveteen rabbit. Then what happened? The rabbit is fascinated. Fascinated means strongly attracted and interested by this idea. The words which were told by the skin horse, after listening to them, what happened? The velveteen rabbit really felt that if children really like them, they become real and they will get life into it. But his chances of achieving this state are not very bright. But he felt that if children love them, they will get the real life. But what he felt, no, it won't happen in my life, he felt. So that is actually the story. Actually in this story, what will happen? When the boy really loves this velveteen rabbit, then the velveteen rabbit feels that it was not a toy. It is the real rabbit. So from that day onwards, it feels that it is the real rabbit. So now, before getting into the lesson, we see the meanings along with that images. It means by looking the images, we can understand them. See velveteen. Here velveteen means a soft cotton fabric. See this very smooth one. When we touch it, it will be very smooth. So this is called as velveteen. So by using this type of cloth or fabric, they prepared rabbit. And see the next one? China. Here China means not a country. Here a type of clay used to make crockery. I think you have seen the crockery bowls and glasses. So by using this China, it means a type of clay, they had prepared the horse, the skin horse. Now next see, seams. Seams means nothing but lines of stitching. So see, when a toy was stitched, we can find these, see the edges of the lines were stitching. So to make a toy, they must stitch it. So the lines of stitching, whatever the stitches, that called as seams. Next one, dusk. Dusk means the time in the evening when daylight fades into darkness. When it started to become darkness, that is called as dusk. Next you see sawdust. Sawdust means fine dust of wood. See, whenever the woodwork was happened or they are doing the woodwork, when they are cutting the wood, what happened? We can see the fine dust means the dust powder. The dust powder of wood. The dust powder of wood can be called as sawdust. Next see wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow means a small cart with a single wheel. See, which we can easily carry anything. A small cart with a single wheel. We can see only one wheel for it at the front and two supporting legs. And two supporting legs, see back side, two legs are used to support the wheelbarrow, and two handles at the rear. See at the end, top of that, we can see two handles. This is called as wheelbarrow. Now children, get into the lesson. So now see what happened. Every day the boy used to sleep with a toy. He kept this velveteen rabbit in his cupboard. So now one day what happened, see, one evening at bedtime, the boy could not find the China dog that always slept with him. The China dog means here the dog which was made of clay. So while sleeping, he used to keep this China dog with him. But one evening, he did not find this China dog while sleeping. Then his Nana searched into the boy's toy cupboard and gave him the old bunny. Old bunny means here velveteen rabbit. Why they called as old bunny means? Because he got it as the Christmas gift and he kept it in the cupboard and not at all using. So it became old. So his Nana searched into the boy's cupboard. So in this cupboard he kept so many toys. So she brought this old bunny and gave it to this boy. From that night on, it means from continuously from the day onwards, the velveteen rabbit slept in the boy's bed. So now the boy used to sleep along with this velveteen rabbit. But what happened? At first, the boy found it uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means he could not sleep. Why? Because he used to sleep well along with that China dog. But it is not there. So first day he felt uncomfortable. He could not sleep in a proper manner. But soon he grew to like it. But what happened later? The days passed on. He used to like this velveteen rabbit. While sleeping, he hugged the bunny very tight. Sometimes while sleeping, what he had done? He hugged the bunny. He held his hands around the velveteen rabbit very tight. And sometimes he rolled over him. Sometimes while sleeping, he rolled over him. He fell on the velveteen rabbit. The boy talked to him. The boy talked to him means he always talked to the velveteen rabbit and made tunnels for the bunny under the bedclothes. Sometimes see you also while sleeping on the bed used to take the blankets and keep it like a tent. So in this manner he used to keep tunnel. Tunnel means actually sometimes we pass through these tunnels. The trains are, some vehicles also, they pass. So in this manner he kept the blankets and he felt that these tunnels are like burrows. Especially the rabbits live in burrows. So in this manner he made these tunnels and he kept the rabbit there. So he felt that these tunnels are like rabbit burrows. Burrows means nothing but where rabbits live in the holes. Especially on the ground, the rabbits make holes and they live it. That they called as burrows. So in this manner, he kept the bedclothes like blankets and he kept the old bunny in it and he felt that the rabbit was in a burrow. See, every day while sleeping, he used to sleep along with this old bunny. The boy always kissed the pink nose of the bunny. It means he liked it very much. So he always kissed the pink nose of the bunny. Whenever anyone said to the boy that the bunny was a toy, Then he replied that the bunny wasn't a toy, he was real. So sometimes while he treated this Velveteen Rabbit not as a toy, others tell that it's only a toy, it's not the real rabbit. But this boy used to tell that no, this is not the toy, this is my real rabbit. He used to tell. So in this manner, he loved the bunny very much. When the little rabbit heard this, so now previous we have seen that once the skin has told that whenever the children like this toys very much, they become real. So now these words recalled by this old bunny. So see, when the little rabbit heard this, he felt that the magic had happened to him. When this bunny heard the words that the boy loved this old bunny, then what happened? The bunny felt that it was not a toy, that he got the life in it. That magic was he was no longer a toy, means he felt that he was a real rabbit now. So now see, during the spring, in the spring season, when the trees get leaves and everywhere the plants will blossom, that season what happened? The boy and the rabbit had rides in the wheelbarrow and picnic in the garden. So wheelbarrow already I have shown you. So he always used to ride this Velveteen Rabbit in this wheelbarrow. And they used to go for picnic in the garden. They played in lovely fairy huts which were built for him. So especially this boy prepared some beautiful huts for this Velveteen Rabbit. He kept it inside and they used to play. See, they went into the gardens and played. The boy also felt that this was a real rabbit. When the Velveteen Rabbit heard that the boy liked him very much, from that day onwards, the Velveteen Rabbit feels that it was not a toy, it was a real rabbit. So now children, in the next session, we can continue the lesson. But children, listen to this video 2-3 times. And don't forget to read the textbook. Thank you children.